Discover the world's first modular production line capable of transforming raw material into a finished product. Reduce production times, increase precision, and ensure consistent quality with the world's first fully integrated solution. From cable reel to finished product without interruptions. One single operator. The distinctive feature of this line is flexibility. Flexibility, the key word to face a world in constant motion, continuously evolving. Each line is fully customized thanks to interchangeable modules that multiply its possibilities. Each module performs a specific operation, contributing to the final result, the finished product. Designed for companies that need to produce thousands of cables, with complex processes that once required specialized operators, repetitive procedures, endless time. Now, a single operator can start the entire line and produce complex wiring harnesses up to the final product ready for sale. A line that never stops. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Absolute precision, uncompromising quality. The future of multipolar cable production is here.